Alright, we're going to be installing Windows NT into our machine. So we're going to create a new virtual machine using a typical install. Now we just need to find our image. My image is on my desktop. I go to VMware, Windows NT, find the ISO. If you don't see it, make sure you do all files. Open, be in there, click Next, and usually it'll put in a default. You can go with it or rename it, whatever you'd like. Next, it was recommended to use Spec 2.0 for that, and then just click Finish. Right now it's checking our computer. Go to Setup. Here, it's not the blue screen of death. You just have to be patient and wait for it to continue to load. Okay, there's the setup. So now we're going to set up Windows NT. So make sure you click inside and then hit Enter. Just accept what that is and then hit Enter. So this is going to do the hard disk. So you want to hit C to continue. And now you have a license agreement. So page down to the end. Then you press F8 if you agree, or escape if you don't, or to look at more, go right back up. So 8, and just enter. Then we're going to just enter. We're going to use the NTFS system. So use your arrow keys, go down, hit enter, and it's going to be formatting. So hit enter again. If you wanted to examine your hard disk, you can. If not, just hit escape. I'll press enter to restart. And just let it roll and it will boot itself back up. So as you can see, sometimes it takes a few minutes for it to do. Just let it roll. Alright. So now we can continue the setup. Hit next. And you could do typical or custom, but typical is preferred. So put your name in. I'm going to pass that for some reason. You don't have to put an organization in. And the CD code, you should have that ready, which I do. So hit next. Oops. Well, figures. Hit next. And then name your computer. So your your computer name is going to be 15 or less, as it shows, but it has to be something unique that no one else will have as a name. So let's put Diesel, name of my cat. This is your administrator account password. You put this one in. Do not forget what it is. I'm putting in something simple, so see, and I don't want to create an emergency repair disk. Next, install the most common components. Next. And participate in a network. Or wired. You could start your search, and it should find that you have. Next, TCP/IP protocol is what you want to use for your network. And then next, I use just default, continue. I tell it no, but let it go, and I just let it obtain it, which you probably could have earlier, but hit next. And look at it, make sure it's all good. Next, and it's going to finish setup. Now you have to fix your time. I am on Mountain Time. Which is right there. Let's see, the date is the 30th. Close that. Okay, you see your colors that you can use. Just say okay. And we're going to have to out of our windows, go to settings. I want to make sure, okay, that was from our previous one. Okay, I'm going to restart computer. Just let it go. Or you can hit enter. It's going to take a minute to reload, depending on how fast your computer is. And the Control-Alt-Delete to log on. So you can do this a couple of ways, but up here in the left-hand side says Send Control Alt Delete to this virtual machine. Just click that, and you're back in. Put your admin password that you just created. Hit enter, and it should load up. And there you have installed Windows NT.